Well, I think any of us who were here when football started remember very clearly the first game that we played against Chowan. And it was such an exciting day for us. And to think this many years later, we now go into a season where we've already played schools like Virginia Tech. And it just tells you how much our program has changed in such a short amount of time. Everybody knew we weren't going to be able to construct a new stadium under my watch until we had the resources to do it.
Our football program became the most successful startup program in all of college football. And then we quickly went from FCS to FBS. That was all because of President Broderick.
Just having all the fans in here, having them this close to the field, it's going to be incredible. I think the crowd noise is going to be awesome, and I mean, it just looks amazing. I can't wait to play in here.
It's time, it's go time. Like, it's everything you've worked for is like all right here in front of you.
We can't wait for the players to come through so we can cheer them on, and we can't wait for this win.
Like Christmas morning all over again, like it was when we started the program years ago.
Much more room, much more comfortable, easier to get in, easier to get out.